Welcome guys, today I am with the Xiaomi 12 Lite and I'm going to show you how camera promote works in this phone. So first of all we have to open the promote, and at the first I can recommend you to tap on this information icon to get the information about all the presets that you can find. If you don't know what is going on here, you can just read all of this tutorials and you will know how to use each parameter, like for example how to use the exposure verification, how to activate it, or how to use the white balance. So right now I'm going to show you the parameters, the maximum value of it. So let's start from the white balance. So standard, there's the standard thing, we got few presets, and also we got this slider that we can automatically set to 8000 from 2000. Next we can find the focus. So right now everything that is close to the sensor, it will be in the focus. When I'm gonna move it like that, as you can see everything is out of the focus, and to change it we have to go for this focus option. Yeah. Next is the shutter speed, so we can set it even for the 30 seconds. This one, it's the ISO, we can get it for the 6400. Right here we got the exposure compensation, we can set it +4 and -4, and that's the only parameter that we can only adjust manually. Right here we can switch from the ultra wide lens to the macro lens and the normal lens. In this place we can activate the 108 megapixel mode. We can add the color and the temperature, so we can use the presets of the filters. Right here we can change the saturation, contrast and the sharpness by moving this slider, the reset tab right here, and here we can use the spot matching and also enable the flashlight. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.